Hey guys, back with another video. Just want to say a little something before I get started. Thank you all, the ones that have been following me and looking at my videos with me and my daughter, even when sometimes she's not doing the videos with me. Thank you for the support and love. The ones that don't like my videos, me and my daughter, please stay off my page. I don't like evil people because that's not me, and I don't have an evil spirit, and I just think that that's negative energy. If you don't like my page, what me and my daughter do, please stay off of it. I'm not asking you to come to my page. I just want to kind of throw that in there because I've been getting some little evil little things that's coming through comments, because if you do, I'm gonna block you. And I hate to do that, but that's what I'm gonna do because that's negative energy. So once again, if you don't like what I'm doing, me and my daughter, you don't have to click on my page. You just do yourself, and have a blessed day behind it. But thank you all for the ones, like I said, have supported me and my daughter and stuff. Because if it wasn't for you all, we wouldn't have a YouTube page with the numbers going up and different things. So I just want to throw that in real quick. And like I said, y'all are the best. The ones that are supporting me and my daughter. Because I love to have fun. I have a outgoing spirit, and I just love being me and my daughter. So, I'm going to continue to do that. I'm not going to let any negativity get in the way of this negativity. But I'm going to do a video with a regular size spoon and my cornstarch with some big scoops. Because one of my subscribers wanted me to do that. So I'm going to definitely do this right now. So it's early in the morning, but it's early in the morning, y'all. I know it's probably about it might be about 9 something. So I'm finna get my little cornstarch, little breakfast snack on right now. So let me get started. In a minute.
Right here. No, right there. And I'll show you. Come here. Right here.
Oh, see?
Right here.
Like this.
See, then I told you right here.
And I like that. Okay? When I move that foot like that, then, okay.
Right here.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to get started. Like I said, I'm finna do the big scoops with the cornstarch with the regular size spoon. So this is what my subscriber wanted me to do, one of them. So let's get started.
Right here, Tom.
Mm. Mm.
Your mouth. Let go of your mouth. See, everywhere.
Mm.
Killer. Back. You go there, not killer. Killer. It made you die. This cute kind of Then
Good. This is good. Y'all, I cannot live without it, and I'm trying to stop, but it's so hard. So, I'm telling you, I need to rehab. Think I'm being funny, but I need to rehab. For real.
Huh?
Mm. 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 Mm.
Huh?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Right here.
Mm. 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 That's good. Mm. 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 That's so good. Mm.
Just keep on pressing, just wait.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
No,
Mm.
right there. Do game. Hey, game. And then you go.
Mm.
And then you go.
Mm. 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 Mm.
You dirty. No, you do that. That's
Mm.
not open. You're doing. Huh?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Then did you? You. And then did you? Then I say. There you go. I'm sitting down.
Mm.
You go. Oh, grass. Then there you go.